finally got myself a pizza stone. They call these a pizza stone. And you cook your pizza in the oven. Now they have pizza stones for grills as well. And I'm thinking I got my eye on one for my grill, but I don't know. I might have to have my grill bigger. But in the near future, guys, I don't know if I'm going to do it this summer. I have to gather resources to build a pizza oven, a wood-fired pizza oven. Somehow make it portable, that one day I might be able to put it on like a trailer or something. So let me go ahead and get this out of the box. Okay guys, let me pull this out of the box if I can. Nice. There's the pizza stone. Not very thick. It says 14.75 inches, but it's actually 15 inch. So let me measure from here. Exactly 15 inches, guys. Do it again over here so you can see that. From there to there, 15 inches on the dot. On the dot. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. Hopefully you guys can see that that is 15 inches. Okay. Get you back where I had you over there. It's just the gloves. They make noises. Sounds like you're farting. So let me reset. Now let's take a look at the thickness. Yeah, maybe a quarter thick with the riffles in here. A little over a quarter with the riffles. So not a very thick stone. I don't know if I would even be putting pressure on the stone and cutting a pizza on the stone. You might want to transfer and then cut your pizza, because you might start putting lines in here and cuts in here. So once you get put this onto when you pull it out the oven, you're going to want to put the pizza on a nice pizza pan and then cut it on your pizza pan. You know what I mean? So I have to get a pizza pan, and I'm going to get the thing to get the pizza off. It's this big handle thing. It slides in and picks your pizza up, and then I put it on my other pan on a counter. The rack's very difficult to grab because it's going to be hot. This is 500 degrees. This rack is going to be very hot to touch. So you need room to get your mitts in there, and the mitt's going to be touching the stone, possibly even touching the pizza. You know what I mean? So they could have made these a little bit taller, or put a secondary thing in here where you could get your thumb on it. You know, the design is flawed because it's so small that it's hard to grab. Okay. Now I took all the stuff off this stuff already. I mean, this is very, very low. You know, it's hard to grab this. You're gonna have the pan in here. You know. And you barely got room to grab the handle. It's going to be so hot, you know what I mean? See how it goes. Maybe it's good it's thin because it's going to heat up quicker in the oven, you know? That means less propane and stuff. Now, the pizza stone was in this slot, you know? It was packed kind of well, even though this is broken here. Okay? It came with two of these. And the holder was wrapped in here. And that's all it was. The plastic, the cardboard, and then the pan just sat on top of there. You know, sometimes there might be a plastic on this pan. You gotta get the pan. I'm calling it a pan of stone. But overall, it's a nice size stone for a pizza that I'm making. That I make. And I make the Napoleon type of pizza dough. So you got instructions that you're going to want to read. So that's good. That's good. That's all good with the pizza stone. So I hope you guys like this little unboxing of the pizza stone. It's good to have to get that crust heated up at high enough temperature to bake that crust. So the crust has a little firmness to it and it's not all doughy, you know. So the stone is supposed to get rid of that doughiness on the bottom of the crust, so it cooks the bottom and leaves the top moist where the sauce is. I'm also going to be going over a grilling method in the near future. So I like to grill my pizzas and it gets a real nice smoked flavor on there. And so, but yeah, I can't wait to try the stone. I've been wanting one for years. I just never got one, you know. So I usually just throw it in the grill. I'm also going to be getting a pizza pan with the holes, and seeing how that works, if it cooks in a faster time. And also a stone for the grill. So, because the pizza cooks too fast in a pan on a grill, it cooks really super fast. I mean, really fast. So you're gonna burn the bottom. But you know, with my pizza dough, it's still soft. The bottom's still soft, even though it burns. But if you burn it too much, it's gonna taste. You know, it takes away from the taste. But it's not bad. It's not too bad. So thanks for watching, guys. This is the Pizza Stone.